Somebody asked me whether or not I have any training specifically designed for university police officers. I definitely have taught a lot of university police officers. I talk about issues involving dorms. That's kind of like the main issue that comes up is entering these dorms. But to answer the question briefly, the answer is no. I don't have anything specific on universities. However, we also know that everything I teach applies to university police officers. Obviously, they have the Fourth Amendment just like everybody else. And so all of the rules on pat downs and uses of canines and so forth apply to university officers. The one issue that I do see come up is that when the resident agent, the RA, I think they stand for resident agent or resident advisor, the people who are snitches that basically get a free room and rat out their fellow students for drug use and alcohol use. When they find drugs in a room, so for example, marijuana, alcohol, and so forth, they'll call the police, and then the police will arrive and the room will be closed, whatever. And the question is, do the officers have the authority to enter that dorm to recover the marijuana, for example? And the answer is no. Generally speaking, that dorm is an apartment in all intents and purposes. It has the legal protection of an apartment. So if a landlord told you that one of their tenants was smoking marijuana and it was against the law, and it would be against the law almost in every state, even if it's legal because they're probably under 21. But regardless, you could not just walk into that apartment and recover that marijuana. It's no different than the dorm. But if you guys really, if there are a lot of university officers out there like Anthony, yeah, okay, that issue, but we have other issues. If you would like me to design and develop a 1-hour webinar just for university police officers, let me know in the comments, but also let me know what topics you would like me to cover. That please, you can't be too state specific because it would have to be kind of universal, but give me some topics that you would like me to cover and I will talk to my team about putting together that webinar. But in general, that's the answer.